Hello everyone and welcome to the Dragon Code. In this video we will cover text formatting in CSS. In this page I will add one paragraph and here I will generate placeholder text, so lorem and 30 words. Then I will add internal CSS and I will set width of 200 pixels. I will add border 5 pixels dash black and I will add padding of 10 pixels on each side. Let's look this page in web browser. So this is paragraph, how it looks now. And now I will use text formatting properties. I'll open VS Code. And first property I'm going to use is color. It's text color. I can have values of name colors or I can use RGB. 0, 255, 0. Now text is green. I will change to brown. Next property is text align, which aligns text horizontally. By default, it is left. You can also align text center and right. And there's also value justify, which will make all lines have same width. There's also property text align last, which will align last line. Last, so I can use all these values like in text align. I can center it, but I will add justify. That was horizontal align. Now we will look at vertical align. So I will add another paragraph and add text. Year has 12 months. January is the 1st. I don't want to apply this style to second paragraph, so I will add here first child. And then I will align span element inside this paragraph vertically. For vertical align, I need to use vertical align property. It can be superscript. You can see now 12 months. Subscript. Now 12 months is subscript. I can also use text button, but you won't see any difference because font size of both paragraph and span are same. So I will add smaller font size of span element, 8 pixels, little larger, 20 pixels. And you can see that 12 months is aligned with bottom. You can also use text top. And now it is aligned with top. Next property is text decoration, and I will use that property on second paragraph. So I'll add paragraph and child second. And I'll add text decoration. So you can have overline. You can see here, underline, and line through. You can also add width, style, and color to this decoration line. So 5 pixels, dot red. And this is line through now. And you can also use all 3 lines. So I will comment this text decoration, underline, overline, and line through. Now there are all 3 lines here. I will just leave underline in text decoration, and now I will move on next property, text transform. So I can use value lowercase, and all letters will be lowercase letters, uppercase, all letters will be capital letters, and capitalize. In that case, in each word, first letter is going to be capital letter. In this picture, you can see properties for text spacing, text indent, letter spacing, line height, word spacing, and white space. So let's try those properties. I will comment text align and text align last properties, and now I'll add text indent. And I'll add 15 pixels, so it will indent first line. You can see here. Let's add some bigger, and I will move back on 10 pixels. Next property is letter spacing, so space between letters. I'll add 5 pixels, so it is big. I'll add 1 pixel. It is better. You also have word spacing, so space between words, 5 pixels, 15 pixels. I'll move back on 5 pixels. You can also use negative values like -5 pixels, -15 pixels, but it won't make sense. So I will move back on 5 pixels again. Next property is line height. So normal is value of 1. You can also have 2, which is 2 times bigger than normal, half, and so on. I'll move back on normal. And last text spacing property is text wrap. By default, it has value wrap, so text is wrapped inside elements dimensions. But with value no wrap, text will go out of elements dimensions. And I will move back on wrap. You can also add shadow to text, and I'll add shadow in second paragraph. I'll first comment this text decoration, and I will increase font size. Font size 20 pixels. And then I will add text shadow. Shadow. First value is for horizontal shadow. I'll add 3 pixels and also 3 pixels for vertical shadow. And then I will add color blue. And you can see shadow. You can also use another value is for blur. So 5 pixel, and now it is blurred. This is all for this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe, and see you next time.